for Shop Talk. We're looking at the Poulan Pro 260, very popular chainsaw for your firewood cutting, camp use, carried on your RV or your four-wheeler. Take a look at some of the features it has. It does have the vibration and isolation motor mounts, smooth on the operator. Kill switch is on the left, choke is on the right, blue one. Air purge, not a primer but a purge. This clears the air out of the system. Side load on the gas and oil reservoir. 18-inch barn chain. Working chain brake. Just a very popular little camp saw.